Yo guys, it's JJ here, and today I'm gonna be playing OG from Monkey Horror. I'm gonna play Meet Up. I know you can see me, but they haven't got a camera in here, so I have to do it this way. It's very scary, and you can get kicked out. So I'm gonna join the public. Then yeah. Oh my god. Sorry, I scared. Oh my god, he was just right there. That never happens.
On me, my
That
squad on
never
me.
happens.
Alright, we're gonna go in the sewers. We're going in the sewers, alright? Alright, my squad on me.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Boom. Bro. Yeah. Me just dancing. Oh, I made it. I made it to the wall.
Punk ass bitches, nigga.
I'm your
Chum 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 chum.
Bro, it's everywhere.
Hello?
Camping.
get spawn killed. Heil Hitler.
No!
Blocks and shit. Like
Monkey marathon, monkey marathon, monkey marathon.
Okay. Everybody, do, go.
Yeah, monkey
In my
marathon.
mouth, then I
It's
gobble
the
that.
OG. We go in the
Behind.
beehive. It's a black bean with eyes.
Eat it.
Yeah, it's
are you
black
serious
tic
right
tac.
Lonely, lonely.
Me.
I am so
This is why I
lonely.
don't stay in front of the line.
I'm
He's not gonna be here. I should have stuck to
Guys,
coffee.
you know how fast can you How fast
He's behind us. He's behind us. I just saw him. I saw his white
You're lying. You're lying.
No, I'm not.
Nothing.
No, I'm not.
It's just me.
Oh
God,
my god, I'm actually scared of him.
Bro, Tio just went down there.
Oh wait,
Tio's so black.
normally I can go back.
Scared a
When
guy
I'm scared
away.
of
You
shit.
just scared someone.
Yeah, he's in there, bro. He got lost. You gotta save him. Guys.
Anyways.
Oh, died.
Well, that's not fucking good,
Anyways,
is it?
guys, everyone, let's go good.
Everyone, let's go!
Yeah, I kind of think I don't really think that's good.
He's not
Oh, I couldn't get out. I could go the other way, but then I was too late. Oh no! Where am I? Oh, shit. Oh, bruh. I joined Gorilla Tag. I just... Oh, huh? There was a loading screen of Gorilla Tag. What the hell? Lonely, lonely. I am so lonely.
They updated 2 times.
Lonely, lonely. I am so lonely.
Oh my god.
Oh my flipping god. I couldn't get back. I'm scared as shit. I'm scared as my mama's boost.
Meet up is the best map ever. It's the best map ever.
They're in sewers.
Lonely, lonely. I am so lonely. Oh my god. I got... This time... Yeah. Lonely, lonely. I am so lonely. I'm so... Wait. I have to reach the wall. Yeah! I reached it. Lonely, lonely. I am so lonely. Lonely,
Everybody,
lonely.
go to
I am so lonely.
Yo, what's up?
Boom!
Yeah, guys, what's up?
Lonely, lonely.
Welcome to another
Goodbye.
video. Today we will
Trying
be,
to identify.
going into
Open the
Life
door! The nether! The nether!
There's nobody there.
The nether!
There's nobody there.
Welcome to another video. Today we're
No,
talking little kids.
lonely.
Oh, hell
I
no.
am so lonely.
You will never get fingerprinted, buddy. You suck.
Little baddie.
As soon as I see the monster, I'm turning into
you
Black
suck.
Flash, okay?
You'll never get fingerprinted.
So-
Bro,
Bro,
why
why
did
did
I
I
close the door?
Gary.
They never
But
know.
my
They
name is
never know.
Gary.
Open that damn door.
As soon as I see the monster, I'm turning into Black Flash.
Kill yourself, nigger.
I need proof though.
I'm gonna be
Just
God,
look at this shit.
Godspeed.
Alright.
What?
Monkey Marathon, Monkey. Some family friends.
Get out!
I'm gonna turn into the main protagonist.
Monkey Marathon. Monkey Marathon.
Stop.
Close the door on the monster, and then close the other door.
Alright,
Oh, hell
Just
no.
say that.
maybe he's stuck. Maybe the monster's stuck.
Shiver Jack.
Shiver the timbers!
He's stuck.
Let's go to Beam Hallway.
Monkey Marathon. Let's go
No.
to Beam Hallway. He's gonna be around the corner, bro. I know it.
Nope.
He
Then you
isn't.
go first and check.
No, I isn't.
This is Beam Hallway, guys. This is Beam
That's
Hallway.
hallway.
No, this is.
He's probably not even there. He's
I
probably
saw him!
not even
I
there.
saw him! I saw him! I saw him!
Yeah,
I saw him!
probably not even
What
there.
happened?
Oh my God, See my little boo thing.
Lonely.
I heard him.
I saw him! Lonely. I really saw him.
Bro, open the fucking door, you
And I have it on video because I'm a Mr. Robin.
kill yourself.
Open
I
the
hope
door.
your mom
Open the door.
dies, you
Close the
fucking
door.
bitch.
Close the door. Close that fucking door right
You
now.
monkey! You first, you fucking retard!
If you move, you're
Kill
gay.
Go fucking kill yourself! I mean, or a duck! Bro, you fucking act like a chihuahua! You fucking retard!
Oh
Go
my
fucking
God,
kill
I
yourself!
almost pushed
No one wants you! You fucking fat ass! You fucking
Wait,
big
maybe it's
forehead.
there.
You fucking mega
What
mind!
the
You
fuck?
fucking big ass motherfucking ego! Bro, we can't even fucking understand you! You're not a cause, bro! No one in the lobby can understand you! Vegeta hairline!
Let Monkey Marathon. Monkey Marathon.
What the fuck are you trying to prove, boy?
Monkey Marathon.
This is all here.
Monkey Marathon.
Bro, you're just getting annoying.
I'm gonna just
Your mom can't rap. Go fucking kill yourself.
If I see him
You should
again,
kill yourself. Nobody loves you.
I'm scared. I'm scared to go there.
Shut the fuck up, you fucking retard. You should kill yourself harder. Nah, bro, you should. Your mom doesn't fucking love you. You're a mistake. You little ugly bitch. You just shut.
This is why I don't play video games anymore. Oh my god. What the actual flippity flip. Woo-hoo! Bam. Woo-hoo! Bam. I just slammed my bed. Right, I'm gonna try one more time. I'm gonna end the video. There. Lonely, lonely. I am so lonely. Public.
Oh my god, open the fucking door, please. Nah.
Yeah. Now I know I'm cooked.
Oh, they are nigger. Help!
Help!
the door.
Open the door! Open the door!
Open the door.
Lonely, lonely, lonely. Close the door.
Closer, I think the monster.
Goodbye. My
I
friend
came in
told me
there.
Guys, I'm a master at this level. Just trust me,
It's
guys.
been a
Just trust
night
me.
being your
I'm not touching with shit.
Hey, you shut the fuck up.
I'm charging with my account right now.
Whip your dick out. See what happens.
Oh my
Chop it
God.
off, Phyllis.
Wait, did you just say you're gonna take my dick? What the fuck?
I'm gonna chop your dick off. Yeah,
I hear him! I hear him! I hear him! Just run! Just run!
Yeah, I hear him. Even though there's nothing behind us, just run. Guys, let's come back this way and see if you can.
Fuck that. Very, very big old dick with I fucking niggas.
Lonely.
We're gonna find the secret
I am so scared because I don't wanna be
Everett, let your-
kicked out of the family.
Where the fuck you go?
Lonely,
Y'all
lonely.
they were going.
I am so lonely.
He went the
Guys,
wrong
I
way.
have a confession. I have a confession.
Goodbye.
Where's it?
I'm 14 and I had sex with my 18-year-old stepsister.
Me too. Fuck is that?
Yeah, I'm not going
Hey,
there.
it was pretty good though, right? It was pretty good though, right?
Me too.
Yeah, wasn't it good?
Me too.
You can... Open the door! Open the door! Stop Spurrow, open the door. Open the door first. It's coming!
He isn't coming. He isn't coming. He isn't coming.
Suck my popsicle. Suck my popsicle.
No!
Y'all getting stronger than me?
What if he comes down this hallway?
Let me in. Let me in.
Oh shit, I hear
nigger.
him. Goodbye.
Hey,
My
hey,
brother
hey,
didn't
no,
touch
no,
it
no,
to
let me in,
identify.
Let me in.
It's been a night
Let
being
me in.
your friend, but it's time for the charades to win. I can say
Get
the hell out of my room.
goodbye.
Come on, bro. Get my room.
Nigger.
You can ask the big.
Monster, you're
I need that
you're gonna
Biggie,
burger.
biggie,
I cannot
Bob.
say good. I fucked the
Oh, fuck no.
nigger.
Fuck no. I heard one. Alright, boys, let's go. Oh, no, that's a monster.
Guys, we're here. He's not in Bean. He's not in Bean.
You're
He's not
behind
there. I
you.
just said it like 5
Yeah, so we're going in here. I can say
Yeah, you're kind of right. Nothing there.
goodbye. My brother to be talking to identify. Wow, you're doing that. Shut the hell up, you stupid ass.
Fuck you, nigger.
Say it again.
Nigger.
All right.
Louder.
Nigger.
Open it louder.
I'm filming, by the way.
Scream it.
Everywhere. I don't give a fuck you're filming.
All right, I'm going to post it on YouTube.
For some kids that's cussing, every kid cuss now.
I fucking
So you're really gonna care.
Lonely, lonely. I am so
I
lonely.
miss you only. Guys, get over it, push kitty.
I hear him.
I hear him. Y'all hear that?
He's over here. He's in.
Y'all hear that?
Shiver the timbers.
Oh no!
Give him my timbers. Give him my cut.
Open the door.
Nah, you're cruel. Hey, yo!
Red. Black. Yes, black.
Alright, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Later.